Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your location. In today's video, I'll be taking us on a guide on how to change your Facebook page name. This has been a stressful job for some people. Some came to my DM and they were telling me to create a video on how to change their Facebook page. A lot of them say they have been trying it and it has been giving them difficulties. Some say when they try changing it, it will tell them the automated system cannot effect this change. Yes, that is quite familiar. That is when you want to change your Facebook page. Yes, I pity some of us who has a lot of followers on our page, and maybe due to one thing or the other, you want to change that Facebook name because you don't want to use the name again. You want to use it for another, or you want to use that particular page for another thing entirely, and you don't want to lose your followers. So some of us get even frustrated that we have to create another page, now begin to build our followers from the scratch, which is not the right thing to do. You can actually use the same Facebook page, change the name, then begin to use it for whatever business you want to use it for, and also retain those followers. So how do we do this? Without further ado, let's go down to the tutorial. You see, changing Facebook page name is as simple as you can think, but very difficult also, because you will find it difficult to change your Facebook page through your app. It will be difficult for you to change your Facebook page via your app, Facebook application. You will either use a web browser to do that. So what do we do? I'll use my web browser. You can see here I have my Google Chrome, but I don't know why I like this Google. Okay. So what do we do when we come to our Google? You go to the search engine, that search area here. You type in Facebook, facebook.com. Be mindful, this should take you to Facebook web browser. I don't want it to take me direct to my Facebook page again. Sometimes it will do that, but make sure that you are on a browser. So I search. Okay, I'm here. This is my Facebook. Let me click on it. Okay. And log in. Say correct passwords. Are you sure? Okay. Yeah, I'm here. I don't want to save this. So if you want to save your this in here so that whenever you open it, you go direct to this place, but I don't want to do so. So I move on. So when we are here, this is my Facebook. So I am on my Facebook now. So this, what do? We go to this top right corner. This, you are seeing this line that are parallel to each other. I'll click on it. Okay, I'm here. You look at this place and click on this place so that it will bring out the page, and you choose the page that you want to change the name. Okay, look at the page. Which page do I take? Okay, I'll take this. Let me use this simple if to aggregate. Okay, I'll click on it. Now load. So I'm in this particular page now. So I'll go back to the same menu, this three line, click on it. So I have to scroll up. I'll go to setting. Okay, I'm here now. So you can see what we have here is all about our page settings. But what we are interested in is this, our page setting. Let me click on page setting. We are here now. So we can do anything that we want to do here, but here what we're interested is changing names. So we click on this name. Okay, we are here now. What do we do? You go to this box where you have your name, click there and delete. You erase all the names and then you put the names you want to use now, the new name you want to use. Which name? Let me say Janella. Janella Fruit. Right now, that then this one is giving me another Jane Ella. Okay, Janella Fruit. I click on go. Look at what Facebook is telling me. It says if you change your name on Facebook, you cannot be able to change it again for 60 days. Actually, when it's telling me something like this, that means I've changed this name for these past days now. So had it been I have not changed this name before, it would have been easy for me to effect it immediately. But apparently this is what you do. This is where you change it. When you click on review, it's supposed to take us to where Facebook will send us a mail to our email that is attached to this our account, telling us that the name that will change, the changing of name will be effected in the next 1 hour. Then you press continue. That is all about it. But now, due to the fact that I have done this before, I've changed these names 4 days ago or 1 week ago, within the month anyway. That was why this message is coming out here telling me if you change your Facebook page before that, I cannot be able to change again until 60 days. So before I can work on it again, it will be the 60 days before I can do any changes again. So thank you. This is how to change it. There is no other way. Immediately you're here and you review your changes, the next thing you will see is Facebook sending you a message telling you your message will be, the change of name will be effected in the next 1 hour or so. They will send you the message via your what is it called, email, just like what they did when I changed the other of my Facebook name. This is just how to change it. You are there already. So thank you guys. If you find this video insightful, please don't hesitate to share this video, most importantly, like and follow this page, and go to the comment